As Goa tourism is aligned and continues to realign itself into the Travel for Life program, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister and in close coordination with the Centre, which we are trying to promote, one bullet sustainable building materials and renewable energy. We ensure that whatever we are looking in terms of infrastructure, we are able to have this sustainable building materials and renewable energy. We are trying to promote rainwater harvesting, bioretention areas, and compost pits. We are trying to promote eco-friendly accommodations, where we have been talking about rural tourism and Pakikade. That is something which we are looking for. We are right now, as we talk about Goa beyond beaches, we are talking about promoting tents and eco cottages. We are promoting homestays. And just a director and Mandala, very importantly, is the youth who is the ambassador for change. And Goa ambassador under the garb of UR Tourism Club is what we have started across Goa. Agasta roughly as of today, 70 close to 75 colleges che Burge have been a part of the UR tourism clubs. These people will be they have been a part of certain part of G20. They have been included in interaction of G Kishan Reddy Kade Kelle, one of the clubs. To understand better, this has been looked very seriously by the center because they want the youth to be involved in this particular change and to promote tourism as ambassadors. In a nutshell, long-term sustainable tourism is about the three P's Director and Sunlight, people, planet, and prosperity, which is through responsible tourism is just not a choice. It's a commitment to building a better world for today and for tomorrow.